Nature's ultimate game of hide and seek, from Arctic foxes changing their fur with the seasons, to mimic octopuses transforming into other sea creatures. We explore how animals blend, vanish, and outsmart their way through life, showcasing some of the most amazing survival tactics on Earth. It's all about staying hidden in plain sight, and you won't believe how these creatures do it. Camouflage in nature is an intriguing strategy where animals become almost invisible within their environments, enhancing their survival. This tactic resembles a natural game of hide and seek, where staying unseen often means survival. Diverse methods are used. Chameleons, for instance, change color to match their surroundings, while tigers' striped patterns help them blend into the jungle. Stick insects go a step further, mimicking twigs to hide in plain sight. This ability to camouflage has evolved over millions of years. Animals that were better at avoiding predators or catching prey had higher survival rates and were more likely to pass on their genes. This evolutionary journey has led to remarkable adaptations in the animal kingdom, turning camouflage into a vital survival skill. Let's understand the science behind this incredible natural phenomenon. Camouflage comes in different styles, each suited to specific survival needs. Crypsis, for example, is about an animal blending into its surroundings, like a deer whose brown coat matches the forest floor, making it difficult for predators to spot. Mimicry is another form where animals imitate something else, perhaps a more dangerous creature or an inedible object, to avoid being eaten. An example is some butterflies, whose wing patterns mimic the eyes of larger animals to scare off predators. Countershading is often seen in aquatic animals. It involves having a darker color on the top and a lighter shade on the underside, balancing the light from above and reducing visibility. Disruptive coloration, like the stripes of a zebra, breaks up the animal's outline, making it hard for predators to target a single individual in a group. The environment plays a crucial role in shaping these camouflage strategies. Animals evolve to match their specific habitats, with a desert lizard and a rainforest frog having distinctly different camouflage needs. The type of predators in an area also drives the evolution of camouflage, as animals adapt to outwit the vision of their specific predators. Finally, camouflage serves dual purposes, aiding predators in hunting and helping prey to hide. In land camouflage, we see how various animals have become experts at blending into their environments for survival. Chameleons are renowned for their color-changing skin, a complex ability used for more than just hiding. They adapt their color for communication, mood expression, and even temperature control, making them one of nature's most adaptable camouflagers. Stick and leaf insects are nature's impersonators, evolving to look exactly like twigs or leaves. They become nearly invisible to predators and even to the human eye. Their plant-like appearance is a testament to the intricate details of their camouflage. The tawny frogmouth from Australia excels in visual mimicry. Their plumage resembles tree bark, and they enhance this illusion by staying incredibly still, often motionless on tree branches. This blend of visual and behavioral adaptation makes them almost undetectable. Snow leopards, the stealthy ghosts of the mountains, demonstrate exceptional camouflage. Their fur, patterned with rosettes, blends perfectly with the rocky, snowy terrain of their habitat. This camouflage is essential for hunting and also for protection from larger predators, underscoring its importance for survival. In aquatic camouflage, sea creatures have evolved unique adaptations for survival in their underwater environments. Cuttlefish stand out as some of the ocean's most remarkable camouflages. They can change not only their color, but also their skin's texture, allowing them to blend into various underwater settings. This ability serves dual purposes. It helps them evade predators and enables stealthy hunting. Their sophisticated control over their appearance even allows them to mimic shapes and textures in their surroundings, showcasing advanced neural mechanisms. The leafy sea dragon, perfectly adapted to its kelp forest habitat, is a master of mimicry. With leaf-like appendages covering its body, it resembles floating seaweed, effectively hiding from predators. This camouflage is a prime example of sea creatures' evolutionary adaptations for blending into their environments, providing an effective defense in the underwater world. Stonefish, one of the most venomous fish, have perfected their camouflage, appearing indistinguishable from the rocky seabed or coral reefs. This camouflage serves two purposes. It aids in ambushing prey and keeps them hidden from predators. Their ability to remain undetected adds a dangerous element, posing a threat to both their prey and humans. Here we will talk about how certain birds and insects have perfected the art of camouflage in aerial and arboreal environments, demonstrating unique survival adaptations. Owls, known for their silent flight, are also exceptional at blending into their surroundings. Their plumage often resembles the colors and textures of tree bark or leaves, suiting their nocturnal habits. This camouflage allows them to remain unnoticed on tree branches during the day, transforming into unseen, efficient hunters by night. Their ability to stay hidden is vital for avoiding detection by prey and predators, making them effective nocturnal predators in the bird world. Moths, in the insect universe, are masters of disguise. Many species have wing patterns miming natural elements like tree bark, leaves, or bird droppings. This camouflage is crucial for their daytime survival when they are most vulnerable to predators. Some moths have evolved to such a degree that their patterns provide almost perfect concealment against tree trunks, offering significant protection from birds and other predators. Now, we will talk about some of nature's most extraordinary and unexpected camouflage strategies, illustrating the extensive evolutionary adaptations for survival in varied environments. Arctic foxes are a remarkable example, with their fur changing color to suit the seasons. Their winter white fur blends with the snow, aiding hunting and predator evasion. In summer, their coat transitions to brown or gray, matching the tundra's terrain. This adaptation is crucial for their survival and effective hunting, as it provides near-perfect concealment in the diverse Arctic landscapes throughout the year. Mimic octopuses represent an extraordinary level of camouflage. They can replicate the appearance and behavior of different sea animals like lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish. This ability not only helps them avoid predators, but also sneak up on prey, Their mimicry, reflecting advanced intelligence and adaptability, allows them to select the most suitable form for any situation, making them among the most cunning camouflagers in the marine world. Peacock flounders are masters of blending with the ocean floor. Their ability to change color and pattern to match their surroundings enables them to become nearly invisible, crucial for evading predators and ambushing prey. Their skill in adapting to different substrates, from sand to coral, underscores the importance of adaptability in the marine ecosystem and the evolutionary benefits of seamless integration into one's environment. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you watch regularly, and there's another video showing on the screen.